everyone, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I transform my makeup and outfits from a morning western look to evening saree look. So stay tuned. So first, makeup. I'll be priming my face with Becca's First Light Priming Filter. This is my favorite primer. It gives a very nice glow and also helps with making my makeup stay on longer. Then I'm going to go with my favorite foundation. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. I'm in the shade 300. I'm first going to dot that foundation all over my face and I'm going to blend that with a wet beauty sponge. Again, using my favorite concealer, this is the Milani Conceal and Perfect. This is in the shade Natural Sand. I'm going to apply this under my eyes and around my nose and around my mouth where I need some coverage. And yes, that is my son Vishwa. It's his first time ever coming on social media, but he's giving me company. I don't have any other time to film without them. They are always around me. So yeah, you get to see him in this video. And I'm going to blend this concealer with a wet or a damp beauty blender. Then to highlight, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is in the shade Medium. And I'm only going to apply this in the hollows of my eyes just to brighten my under eyes. And I'm also going to apply a little bit on the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, a little bit under my eyebrows, wherever I need a little bit of natural highlighting. I was talking to my son, listening to songs, I was having my coffee. Yes, I just had a chill out moment while I was filming this video. I'm going to set my under eyes with a banana powder. This is the Wet n Wild Conceal and Perfect Conceal and Contour palette, I guess, in the shade Caramel Toffee. And then I'm going to set my foundation with compact powder. This is the Lakme Wet n Dry Compact Powder. This is in the shade Beige Honey. I get this from India and it's my favorite. It's my second compact. And I'm also going to dust the excess banana powder that's under my eyes with this. Then I'm going to take the contour side and I'm going to lightly bronze my face. I'm not into doing too much contour on a regular basis. So on a daily basis or on a regular basis, I prefer to bronze my face. I'm going to take my favorite blushes. These are the Hourglass Ambient Light blushes. I'm going to take two of those corally colors and I'm going to mix them and add them to my cheeks. These are very natural. They add a very beautiful color on the cheeks which looks like you're blushing from within. They add a little bit of glow and love the formula. Highlighter is Fenty Beauty Hustla Baby. I just want to keep the theme to peach. So this is a peachy gold highlighter, very intense and looks beautiful on the skin. So I'm going to add that on the highest points of my cheekbone, bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, and for a little more highlight under my eyebrows, above my eyebrows, and on the center of my eyebrows. These are the points I like to add highlighter. So yeah, it looks like a very nice glowy skin. And in between, mandatory giving attention to the kids is happening, and from now on Mayuka also join and it's gonna get really crazy. So for my eyebrows, I'm using Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade in dark brown. And I'm going to fill my eyebrows and brush with a spoolie. So yeah. For my eyeshadows, I'm using the PUR Visionary Palette. My daughter actually played with it and that's why it's in that halat. But I'm going to use the peaches and pinks and light browns in the palette, and I'm going to do a very basic eye makeup, just a transition color, a deeper matte eyeshadow in the crease and outer corner, and I'm going to apply that shimmery peach color all over my eyelid, and I'm also going to blend a matte brown eyeshadow on my lower lash line, and that's pretty much it. And I really like the quality of these eyeshadows. They are very buttery smooth, no fallout whatsoever, and very pigmented as well. I'm using L'Oreal Kajal Magique eyeliner to line my waterline, and I'm also going to tight line. And then I'm going to use the Essence Precise eyeliner. This is a waterproof eyeliner. It's jet black and the tip is actually amazing to get a very nice sharp wing. And I'm going to keep my eyeliner very simple. I'm not going to do a thick or too crazy eyeliner here. I just want to keep the whole eye makeup very soft. Then I'm going to line my lips with Rimmel London Lip Liner in the shade Indian Pink. This is a very nice pink that works for a lot of pink lipsticks. And sometimes I even just use with nude lipsticks as well to add a little more pink and look more complementary to my skin color. And then for my lipstick, this is my favorite. This is the Lancome Matte Shaker in the shade Beige Vintage. Beautiful formula and I love the color as well. And that's it. We are done with the makeup. Let's move on to the outfit. So I'm wearing a tutu skirt, and this is the tutu skirt from Amazon. I'll leave the exact link in the description box below. It comes with the 5 layers of really nice tulle material. It is very soft and sturdy material that just poofs up really well, and it has additional lining as well, and then comes with a very long satin ribbon. And the sweater is from JCPenney. It's very soft, love the embroidery on it, and I paired this sweater with a lot of my outfits. And to match with the embroidery, all my accessories are around that. So I'm wearing these earrings from Macy's, and the bag and hair accessories are from Shein, and the shoes are from Payless. Now to change up my makeup for evening sari, I'm first going to take some powder and take away all the shine. It's already been a few hours, so I had some oiliness on my face. And then I'm going to take a maroon matte eyeshadow that matches my sari basically, and I'm going to blend that in the outer corner, a little bit into the crease, and also going to use the same eyeshadow to smoke out my lower lash line. Then I'm going to define my eyes even more to make it look more bold. I'm going to thicken up my eyeliner, and also I'm going to extend my wing outwards. Then I forgot to use a mascara in the morning, so I'm just going to add that mascara. And oftentimes I forget wearing mascara, but mascara truly makes a lot of difference in how my eyes look. And in the evening, it was my daughter's turn to give me company. I'm also going to deepen up my blush as well, and this is the Balm blush in the shade Pinstripe. It's a very unique and beautiful color. Again, something that gives a little bit of shine and looks very natural, and these are intense blushes, so you have to be very light-handed with these. And I'm also going to add more highlighter because we took some away when we applied powder and blush on top. And then for my lips, I'm going to match with my Saree, and this is the Buxom Plump-up lip liner or lipstick in the shade Espionage, and I really like the formula of these lip pencils. Okay, I love doing this, so I apply some highlighter on the Cupid's bow as well. This is the saree I'm wearing. The saree is from a Facebook page, Joshua Creations. I'll put the link in the description box, so do check them out. And this is a jute saree, and I really like the vertical lines, and there's real mirror work done all over the saree, and also there are tassels at the end of the pallu. And the pallu actually breaks up and has a different design right there. The blouse is a sleeveless crop top, and it's made of silk fabric, and it has nice pearl work done along the neckline. And the bangles are, the maroon ones are actually raw silk bangles, and the cream ones, and they are Bengali bridal bangles. I picked them up in Delhi from Babu Chudiwala when I went to Delhi for my brother's wedding. And the earrings are from Aldo. And shoes, I picked them up in India from a random store. And that's it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you all very soon in my next video. Bye bye.